Guys, although I won't be able to put a clip of this video because indaba kaNews Galonge uyazi ukubona usisi or ngithi umama, she looked young at the same time. Kuyashunyayelwa ngapha umfundisi ngapha omunye umfundisi abafundisi abawu-2. I guess the way I see it, or lo munye it was supposed to be uTolika uyafunda ngesiZulu ngapha khona omunye ukhuluma English. As the church service is going on, usisters agijime from abantu abebehlala phansi in a green dress, afike ahlwibse iBhayibheli from umfundisi lo utolika ngesiZulu, amuphuce lona, right? Abaleka athi ibhizinisi sitshela amanga nisitshela amanga. I'm like, there's something else there. There's more that is going on there with that Bible and whatever is going on in the church. Because nabo abanye abafundisi kazi banamanga. And it's not one of those churches futhi lezi zamanje, you know, that are dubbed born again and whatever. Le is legit. It's a faith mission. Kwasiza abantu. Ngitshela, you didn't even expect that there. I'm just like, what's going on with this? And manje sayithathwa ngokuthi uhlanya. I'm like, no, there is more to it. There's more. We'll never know for sure what's going on in the church. Athi lo athatha kuyona iBhayibheli athi mbambeni lo obekuyena oshumayelayo kahle in actual fact ukhuluma English, ngoba this other one was doing it in Zulu, betolika ngesiZulu agijima again. I'm just like, although they're not showing us then what happened with two sisters kuthiwa kabanjwe na-ke ethatha iBhayibheli. Angiyazi indaba ka-sisters lapha kwasiza abantu hawa, are they gonna deal with it after this? And uzothola ukuthi bazomhlukumeza, and there's no need for that. This is why ngithi there's something more around this church thing. Khona into eyenzakala kulela sonto engingayazi. Angikafuni ngithi inosathane phakathi, no, I don't wanna go there, but there's something kuba nawo lamasonto ndabo labafundisi kuningi. Nangu omunye kade evuma ngapha ethi yena vele uthwele. Most of them are though. So nje kuningi guys, kuningi that's going around, that's going on in our country. We don't even know how to handle it. At times not. As South Africans, you're just like, oh my gosh, like how am I even gonna do this? But the kuningi that's going on, guys. Hayi, nangoku umfundisi esemphika ku-sisters wengubegreen esethi akamazi nongaphi. He's never seen her before and they must take the Bible from her. Hey, bo sisters nayo ike wayikhoze chaos esontweni. Hayi.